Belgium's secrets behind its rich history, culture, and economic power. Did you know Belgium has more castles per square mile than any other country in the world? That's just the beginning. This small nation holds so many secrets. In this video, you're going to discover Belgium in a way you never expected. Let's get started. History of Belgium, from empires to independence. You might think Belgium is just a small European country, but did you know it was once the center of one of the world's most powerful empires? Belgium's strategic location in Western Europe has made it a focal point for empires and invasions throughout history. Roman Empire era. The area that is now Belgium was once part of the Roman Empire, known as Gallia Belgica. The Romans built roads, fortresses, and cities, influencing the region's culture and economy. Evidence of this Roman influence can still be seen in ruins scattered across the country. Medieval duchies. After the fall of the Roman Empire, Belgium became a patchwork of feudal states and duchies. Among the most powerful were the Duchy of Brabant and the County of Flanders. These regions played critical roles in medieval trade networks, with cities like Bruges and Ghent becoming key centers of commerce. Industrial Revolution. Belgium was one of the first countries in Europe to industrialize during the 19th century, leveraging its coal and iron resources. The country became known for its textile and steel industries, positioning itself as an industrial hub of Europe. Independence from the Netherlands, 1830. In 1830, Belgium declared its independence from the Netherlands following a revolution sparked by differences in language, culture, and religion. This marked the birth of modern Belgium, which adopted a constitutional monarchy. World Wars and neutrality. Despite its efforts to remain neutral in both World War I and World War II, Belgium was invaded in both conflicts due to its strategic position between Germany and France. The devastation of the wars, especially during World War I's trench warfare in Flanders, left a lasting mark on the country. Belgium's turbulent past has shaped its modern-day identity, making it a cultural and economic powerhouse. Culture and traditions. A nation of diversity now. Let's explore Belgium's rich culture, which blends French, Dutch, and German influences. Belgium's unique cultural fabric is woven from its 3 official languages and the rich customs they bring to the nation. Belgium is split into 3 main linguistic regions: Dutch-speaking Flanders in the north, where the majority speak Flemish, a dialect of Dutch; French-speaking Wallonia in the south, which is influenced by French culture; a small German-speaking community near the eastern border. This linguistic diversity shapes the country's customs, media, and education systems, making Belgium a true cultural melting pot. Each region has its own traditions, but together they create a harmonious blend. Belgian traditions. Belgium is world famous for its chocolate-making expertise, with a long tradition of producing some of the finest chocolates in the world. Belgium's comic book culture is also significant, with internationally known characters like Tintin originating from the country. Comics are so revered in Belgium that you can find murals and statues of characters in cities like Brussels. Cycling is another national obsession. Belgium has produced many world-class cyclists and hosts one of the most prestigious cycling races, the Tour of Flanders. Cycling is ingrained in the country's sports culture, drawing huge crowds of passionate fans. Belgium's diverse culture is truly unique, bringing together different identities in one beautiful country. The economy, the financial powerhouse. Wondering how such a small country thrives economically? You'll be surprised at Belgium's powerhouse economy. Despite its modest size, Belgium is a major player on the global economic stage. Global financial hub. Belgium holds a strategic position in Europe. It is home to the European Union headquarters and many other international organizations, including NATO. Its central location and political influence make it an essential hub for financial and political decision-making within Europe and beyond. Diamond industry. Antwerp, a city in Belgium, is renowned as the diamond capital of the world. Around 80% of the world's rough diamonds pass through Antwerp, making Belgium a critical player in this luxury industry. The country's diamond trade has thrived for centuries, significantly contributing to its wealth and global reputation. Key industries. Belgium has a highly diversified economy. Key sectors include manufacturing, particularly automobile and machinery production, pharmaceuticals, and chemical industries. Its strategic location in the heart of Europe has made it a crucial part of the European trade network, with its ports, like the Port of Antwerp, serving as gateways to the rest of Europe. Exports and trade. Belgium's strong export economy includes not only diamonds, but also pharmaceuticals, chemical products, and machinery. The country's logistics infrastructure, including its ports and road networks, makes it a vital hub for the movement of goods across Europe. Belgium's stable economy is proof that size doesn't matter when it comes to influence on the global stage. Travel and food. Your guide to Belgian delights. Now, let's get to the fun part. Belgium's must-see destinations and food you'll want to savor. Belgium is a treasure trove of stunning architecture, picturesque towns, and culinary delights that will leave you craving more. Famous landmarks, start your journey in Brussels, the capital, where the Atomium, a towering steel structure that symbolizes modern Belgium, stands proudly. Nearby, you'll find the stunning Grand Place, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and one of Europe's most beautiful squares. Next, head to Bruges, often called the Venice of the North, known for its charming canals, medieval architecture, and cobblestone streets. Finally, take a stroll in Ghent, a vibrant city blending history with modern energy, where you'll discover hidden gems like the Gravenstein Castle. Belgian food staples. Belgium is famous for its waffles, which come in two styles: Liege waffles, sweet and caramelized, and Brussels waffles, light and crispy. Then there's Belgian chocolate. No trip to Belgium would be complete without indulging in this world-class treat, which includes famous brands like Godiva and Neuhaus. Don't forget Belgian fries, which are traditionally served with mayo. Belgians pride themselves on making the best fries, usually double fried for the perfect crunch. Add to that the national dish moule frite, mussels with fries, for an authentic culinary experience. Whether you're a history buff or a foodie, Belgium has something for everyone. From savoring delicious waffles and chocolates to exploring beautiful towns like Bruges and Brussels, Belgium offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and flavor that will satisfy any traveler. Whether you're wandering through medieval streets or indulging in iconic Belgian treats, this country promises an unforgettable experience. Social policies, a modern approach to citizen welfare. Lastly, ever wonder how Belgium ranks so high in quality of life? Belgium is renowned for its strong social policies, which place a high priority on the well-being of its citizens. Healthcare system. Belgium's healthcare system is one of the best in the world, offering universal coverage to all citizens. Both public and private healthcare options are available, with extensive services covered, such as doctor visits, hospital stays, and prescription drugs. Citizens benefit from affordable care, thanks to a combination of state funding and insurance, ensuring that quality healthcare is accessible to everyone. Education. Belgium has a comprehensive education system, which is compulsory for children between the ages of 6 and 18. The country offers multilingual education in Dutch, French, and German, reflecting its diverse cultural heritage. Higher education is also highly valued, with affordable university fees and programs encouraging lifelong learning. Work-life balance. Belgium supports work-life balance with policies that include paid family leave, generous vacation time, and flexible working hours. The government promotes a family-friendly environment with policies like maternity and paternity leave, childcare support, and a range of social benefits aimed at improving overall well-being. Paid parental leave allows families to care for their children while maintaining career stability. Belgium's focus on social well-being ensures its citizens thrive in every aspect of life. By providing accessible healthcare, quality education, and fostering a work-life balance, Belgium has built a modern society where citizens are well supported, creating a high standard of living and strong social cohesion. From castles and chocolate to being an economic powerhouse, Belgium is full of surprises. If you're as fascinated by Belgium as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos on amazing countries, and drop a comment below with which fact surprised you the most.